Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Engineering Yatra Nepal. If you are planning to study abroad, especially in the US, then today's video is for you. You know how exciting it is to think about studying in one of the best countries for education, but getting a student visa can be tricky. In this video, I will walk you through the top reason why US student visas get rejected and how you can avoid these mistakes. Whether you are applying for the first time or reapplying, this info is crucial for your success. So now let's dive into the main topic. There are a lot of factors that could cause your US student visa application to be rejected, and understanding this factor can help you avoid pitfalls from incomplete application and insufficient financial proof to poor academic credential and lack of clarity in your study plans. We'll break down its reason in detail. I will also share the tips how to prepare better for your visa interview, how to show strong ties your home country, and why providing your financial stability is so important. Stick around until the video and I will give you some important tips on how to stand out and increase your chance of approval. Number one, incomplete or incorrect application form. One of the most common reasons students get rejected is submitting incomplete or incorrect forms. It's not just about filling out your DS-160 or visa application form. You need to make sure all supporting documents are accurate and complete. Missing a required forms like proof of financial support or submitting an outdated document could delay or even derail your application. Double check everything before submitting. Number two, insufficient financial proof. The US government needs to know that you can support yourself while studying. If you don't provide enough proof of financial resource such as bank statement, affidavit of support, or scholarship letters, your application will likely be rejected. Remember, you will need to prove that you can cover tuition fees, living expenses, and other costs during your stay. Without sufficient funds, it's almost impossible to get the visa. Number three, failure to prove strong ties to your home country. When you apply for a student visa, you need to convince the consular officer that your intent is to return to your home country after completing your studies. This means you need to demonstrate strong ties like family, property, or a potential job waiting for you. If you can't prove this connection, the officer may think you are more likely to overstay your visa, leading to a rejection. So number four, unclear purpose for studying in the US. If you can't clearly explain why you want to study in the US and how it fits with your future goal, it could raise a red flag. Your study plans should be logical and specific. For example, if you are applying for an engineering degree, explain why studying in the US will benefit your career back home. Without a clear purpose, it's hard to convince the officer that your study plans are genuine. Number five, low academic credential or poor test score. Another reason for rejection is low academic performance or not meeting the university's requirement. Universities often have specific GPA threshold score requirement like GRE, SAT, or TOEFL, and if you don't meet this, your visa might be denied. Admission committees look for solid academic records, and so does the US government when reviewing visa application. Let's move to number six, problem during the visa interview. The visa interview is one of the most crucial stages for your application. If you seem nervous, unprepared, or unable to answer question clearly, it might hurt your chance. Officer want to know that you are serious about studying in the US, and they will ask you about your plans and background. Be confident and well prepared with detailed answer about why you choose the particular course or university. Number seven, prior immigration violations or criminal history. If you or your family members have a history of violating US immigration laws such as overstaying a previous visa or engaging in illegal activities, that could lead to a rejection. Similarly, any criminal history or association with criminal organization would raise concern for US authorities. It's essential to be upfront about your background, as an expenses can lead to denial. Failure to meet language proficiency requirement. English proficiency is a significant factor when applying for a US student visa. If you fail to meet the minimum required score in tests like TOEFL or IELTS, it could result in rejection. The US visa officer want to ensure that you will be able to understand your course material and communicate class, so work on improving your English skill if necessary and ensure you meet the language requirement before applying. Number 9, lack of preparedness or timing issue. Sometimes students apply too early or too late, which could affect the visa process. Applying too early might raise questions about your readiness. Why applying too late could make it difficult to secure an appointment before your program starts. Plans ahead and apply with the correct time frame. Make sure all your documents are ready and that you have allowed time to enough for processing interviews and additional requests. We'll see. Thank you so much for today. We'll see in the next video. Bye.